In a significant move towards justice and reconciliation, the Tripura government has extended employment to 18 family members of individuals who lost their lives due to political violence before March 2018. The initiative announced by Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Ratan Lal Nath during a press conference at the State Secretariat on Saturday aims to support victims' families who endured hardship during decades of political unrest. Nath informed that till date 39 applications have been received from affected families seeking government employment. To ensure a transparent selection process, the state government has constituted a scrutiny committee for assessing the applications for employment to families of victims of political violence, which is being chaired by Nath himself. The committee last convened on June 19, where eight more fresh applications were submitted for consideration. The committee is now in the process of finalizing its report for submission to the state government. It may be recalled that the Bharatiya Janata Party came to power in Tripura in 2018, ending over 2 decades of CPIM-led left front rule. One of the early policy decisions of the BJP-led government was to extend assistance to families affected by political violence prior to their tenure.
যদি কোনো রাজনীতিক খুন হয়ে থাকে, যে সরকারের সময় হয়ে থাকুক, এটা সুস্থ গণতন্ত্রের লক্ষণ নয়। আমরা তখন সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছি সেই পরিবারে আমরা একটা চাকরির ব্যবস্থা করব এবং সরকার কমিটি করে দিয়েছে। এখন পর্যন্ত এই কমিটির কাছে 39টা পিটিশন পড়েছে। 39টা পিটিশন পড়েছে এবং 39 জন পিটিশনের মধ্যে আমরা 18 জনকে বিভিন্ন ডিপার্টমেন্ট চাকরি দেওয়া হয়েছে।